Have you ever found yourself in a financial pinch, needing a quick infusion of cash? Perhaps a surprise expense popped up, or you just need a little extra to tide you over until payday. If so, you might have considered a cash advance. But does Sofi offer this service? Let's dive in and find out. Sofi, known for its innovative approach to personal finance, has gained a reputation for offering a range of financial products, from student loans to investing. But does their portfolio include cash advances? While they don't offer a traditional cash advance product, Sofi does provide alternative options that can help you access funds quickly. Option 1. Sofi Credit Card. One of the most straightforward ways to obtain a cash advance with Sofi is through their credit card. Sofi credit cards typically offer a cash advance limit, which you can access at ATMs or by requesting a check. However, it's important to note that cash advances usually come with higher interest rates and fees compared to regular purchases. So, while it's a convenient option in a pinch, it's best to use it sparingly and pay off the balance as soon as possible. Option 2. Sofi Personal Loan. If you need a larger sum of money and prefer a more structured repayment plan, Sofi's personal loans could be a viable option. While not technically a cash advance, personal loans can be used for a variety of purposes, including covering unexpected expenses. Sofi offers competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms, making it a popular choice for those seeking a loan. Option 3. Sofi Money. For a more immediate solution, Sofi Money might be worth considering. This cash management account allows you to deposit and withdraw funds easily. While it's not a traditional loan, Sofi Money can provide a quick and convenient way to access your funds. Let's compare these options to see which one might be the best fit for you. Sofi Credit Card. If you need a small amount of money quickly and already have a Sofi credit card, this might be a convenient option. However, be mindful of the higher interest rates and fees associated with cash advances. Sofi Personal Loan. If you need a larger sum of money and prefer a more structured repayment plan, a Sofi Personal Loan could be a good choice. Sofi Money. For a simple and immediate solution, Sofi Money can provide easy access to your funds. Additional considerations. Before making a decision, it's important to consider the following. Interest rates. Compare the interest rates for each option to determine which one offers the most favorable terms. Fees. Be aware of any associated fees, such as cash advance fees or late payment penalties. Repayment terms. Evaluate the repayment terms to ensure they align with your financial situation. Credit score. Your credit score can influence your eligibility for certain products and the interest rates you'll receive. While Sofi doesn't offer a traditional cash advance product, they provide several alternative options that can help you access funds quickly. Whether you choose a credit card cash advance, a personal loan, or a cash management account, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully to find the best solution for your financial needs. If you're considering a cash advance or exploring other financial options, Sofi might be worth considering. Visit their website or contact their customer support to learn more about their products and services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.